Why do some objects float while others sink? Why does a heavy ship stay afloat, but a small coin sinks like a rock? The answer lies in a force called upthrust, or buoyant force. Let's dive in and explore how upthrust works. Upthrust is the upward force that a fluid, like water or air, exerts on an object placed in it. This force acts against gravity, and it's what makes things feel lighter underwater. Ever noticed how heavy objects seem easier to lift in water? That's upthrust at work. The Greek scientist Archimedes discovered that the upthrust on an object is equal to the weight of the fluid it displaces. This is known as Archimedes' principle. When an object is placed in water, it pushes water out of the way. This is displacement. The more water it displaces, the greater the upthrust. If the upthrust is greater than the object's weight, it floats. If it's less, it sinks. Let's look at some examples. A plastic bottle floats because it's filled with air and displaces more water than its weight. A metal key sinks because it's dense and displaces less water than it weighs. Even heavy ships float because their shape helps them displace a lot of water. The secret isn't just weight, it's also volume and shape. The formula for upthrust is upthrust equals rho times V times G, where rho is the density of the fluid, V is the volume of fluid displaced, and G is gravitational acceleration. So greater fluid density or object volume means greater upthrust. That's why you float more easily in salt water than in a swimming pool. From submarines to hot air balloons, the science of upthrust is all around us. It keeps us afloat, helps fish swim, and allows massive ships to sail across oceans. Buoyancy. It's not magic, it's physics. So next time you float in a pool, thank upthrust, the invisible helping hand of nature.